Let us see the next question, dear students. It has been given that the spot exchange rate is 70 rupees per dollar and $1.5 per pound. What is the exchange rate for rupees per pound? That is the first question. And pound per rupee is the second question. I want you to calculate the answer for the first question. The exchange rate between rupees and pound currency considering these exchange rates. Please try to calculate answer on your own. So the exchange rates information have been given like this. ₹70 per dollar and $1.5 per pound. Based on this, we are required to make the computation of the exchange rate of rupees per pound. That is a question. In a way that the question says that how many rupees for 1 UK pound. We understand that the price of pound is required to be computed in terms of rupees. Dear students, there are a number of methods by which we can do answer. One of the method that I suggest is like this. See, we have to calculate rupees per pound. So we form a small equation. The equation is such in which the final answer will be in rupees term because we require the answer in rupees term. Answer is required per pound. Now against pound we can see we have been provided with the dollar currency. So I'm mentioning dollar currency over here. Why? Because we have been provided with the dollar currency against the pound currency. I require the answer in rupees term, not in dollar term. So again, to cancel something from the numerator, it will be kept in denominator. So you keep dollar currency over here, and against dollar currency, rupee currency is given. So rupee currency is mentioned over here. So what will happen? Dollar will get cancelled, pound will get cancelled, and I'll get the answer in rupees term as I want. Now I want to write rupees per dollar, and I have been given rupees per dollar rate. So I mentioned 70. I want dollar per pound. The same rate is given to us, exchange rate 1.50. Answer is required per pound, so it is into 1. So 70 into 1.5 into 1, that comes to 105 rupees per pound. That is the way we can make the computation of the exchange rate. The question says further that you are required to compute the pound per rupee. We know that say if at all we already have 105 rupees per pound as exchange rate, then in that case pound per rupee can be calculated as 1 divided by 105 pound per rupee, in a way that say we just have to make it a reciprocal. This is the way we can make the calculation of the exchange rate. Please take down answer.